Hey guys, good evening. This is the guy Squitt and Chocho back again.
Yes.
With a live video. You see it? Right now, you know, the topic for today is pronunciation. Cause right now we are going to ask Chocho some questions.
Yes.
And can't pronounce good, you know.
Yeah, man.
No, saying can't beat me, you know.
Yo, me a beat you, man.
You can't beat me,
alright.
alright?
Me know the Chocho win.
Alright. So pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Alright? Yeah.
What?
Alright, so Sashai.
Chachai. That's right, huh?
Alright, so Chelsea.
Treasy. That's
Yeah,
right.
alright, Chelsea. Alright.
Yo, me have it,
What's that?
Alright.
So Shamor.
Somewhere.
Alright.
What?
So Landmore.
Landmore.
Alright.
Right?
This one I got hard.
Hard. Come on, and
This
think
one
come
I
in.
got hard. This one I got hard.
And think come in, me know the
What
Chocho win.
now? What now?
Right?
Listen.
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 Cause me know Chocho win.
I bet you can't say Trinidad and Tobago.
Trinidad, and Tobago.
Hey.
What?
Hey.
Trinidad and Tobago.
You get the wrong man.
Me say, alright.
You know I say you could say that. I bet say.
Yeah.
You can't say. Ghana.
Ghana.
Right. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Then you come in here beat you.
Alright. I bet you can't say South Africa.
Eh? South Africa?
Alright.
South Africa?
You see? Me. Squid.
Me say South Africa, me say.
A squid.
South Africa.
No, South Africa, not Choke Africa. Alright. You know I say you could be
Yo, brother. Alright, go on. You win that one. Go on.
Bet say.
Yeah.
You can't say Virgin Island.
Alright? Yeah, I hear that, man. Virgin Island.
Alright.
Virgin Island.
Alright.
Right now.
You warm up for this,
Yes, sir.
Bet say you can't pronounce in one name. Your mother give me right name.
What's it?
Shadway Smith.
Sure,
Shadway Smith.
Shadway Summit. Shadway Summit.
Yeah, you're right.
Me guess my name.
I bet you can't pronounce Chocho and Squitt.
Ha! Brother, I fool with you, Mr. ChoachoSquitt. ChoachoSquitt.
Chocho Squitt.
Yeah.
Hey.
Me win that ChoachoSquitt.
Jacob people, I hit that. Tell who should now we are winner.
Me know.
Please.
Me say subscribe, let me know the gate and bell, and me ask do. You know that Chocho win. Cause you know the Chocho.
Pronunciation,
Listen, man,
gentlemen.
click the bell.
Please subscribe and
Uh-huh.
click the notification bell below.
But
That
know
is
me
it.
win. Me win, no.
We are going to see. We
People,
are going to see.
a Chocho win.
Yes, guys, that was the video of Chocho and Squitt. Yes, and please.
Please.
Yes, guys, that was the video of Chocho and Squitt. Please, I'm asking you, subscribe, share, and comment, and click the notification bell.
Please, we beg you. Hey, if you do that for me, hey, we love you. Hey, I swear, I will love you. Please, lick the bell, oh, lick the bell. Hey, if you lick that bell, we love you. Hey, please. Oh, we just come out. Oh, please, oh, hey.